Procreate tips part 9. Today I'm going to show you how you make a dot work shading brush. Go back to your canvases, click on the plus and make a square canvas. There are more ways to make dot work brushes, let me know in the comments if you want more. Then click on your brushes, go to the calligraphy brush set and click on the monoline brush. Then you set the spacing to the maximum amount so you have only dots, and then you make some random dots. When you're done with it, click on settings and copy canvas. This is the most important step, don't forget it. Now you can make a new brush set on the left settings and click on the plus to make a new brush, go to shape and import your copied canvas with the paste. Now click with 2 fingers to invert the design and click on done. Then go to stroke path and set the spacing to around 30%. Make it like it looks the best for you. Then go again to shape and set the scatter also to amount you think it looks good. Then click on done. Now you can make a new layer to test the new brush. Thank you for watching, hope you liked the video.